Today we're going to reveal how mastering networking can significantly enhance your career trajectory and become the key that unlocks a strategic job search, especially if you're in leadership roles within top tech companies. If you're looking to boost your influence and unlock new leadership opportunities, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get all of our updates. My name is Stoltzfus, and I'm the founder of the Job Hackers Network. I work with US-based engineering leaders in the technology industry, helping them to stand out from the crowd, strategically networking directly with hiring leaders. So what is networking? Networking for directors and executives, it isn't merely about gathering contacts. It's about strategically building alliances and fostering a community of thought leaders. It involves sharing knowledge, resources, and support among leaders who are at the forefront of technology. So imagine connecting with a CTO at a major tech conference, and that conversation leads into a collaboration on innovative project management tools. This is strategic networking, building partnerships that expand your influence and that drive industry progress. Let's talk a little bit about why networking matters. Networking is crucial for several reasons. According to HubSpot, 85% of job vacancies, they're filled through the infinite possibilities in networking. Their study highlights that 70% of the jobs that are never published for the public to see are often jobs that are posted within or created specifically for the people that the recruiters or the hiring managers met with through networking. Engaging in professional relationships ensures that you're considered for opportunities often not advertised. LinkedIn's influence is so powerful to effective networking as well. Casual conversations on LinkedIn lead to new opportunities for 35% of LinkedIn users, with 40% preferring online networking for its convenience and its flexibility. To carry out effective job search strategy and not focus on networking, it's absolutely crazy. Networking surpasses other job search strategies, being preferred by 61% of professionals and making referred candidates 4 times more likely to be hired, according to a LinkedIn study. For companies, networking makes absolute sense due to its advantages in associate retention. Networking-based hires are not just more frequent, but they tend to stay 20% longer at companies, indicating a better fit and a higher job satisfaction, according to the Society for Human Resource Management, or SHRM. Let's look at what business leaders are saying about networking. So let's go to Michael Dell. Michael Dell made a poignant remark about the broad impact of networking in his commencement address to the University of Texas at Austin. Here's what he said. Try never to be the smartest person in the room. And if you are, I suggest you invite smarter people or find a different room. In professional circles, it's called networking. In organizations, it's called team building. And in life, it's called family, friends, and community. We are all gifts to each other. And my own growth as a leader has shown me again and again that the most rewarding experiences come from my relationships. This reflects the idea that networking is not only a professional activity, but a fundamental aspect of building valuable and supportive communities. If you're thinking about networking specifically for your strategic job search, then I have a free training that I want to offer to you.
Are you ready to start or optimize your job search process? Do you feel stuck and need help connecting the dots? Join this free web class where you'll learn the step-by-step formula to control your career progression. We've helped hundreds of experienced engineering and operations leaders just like you to build their brand and grow their impact. Register for this exclusive training today to step into the driver's seat of your career.
Let's dive into how you can immediately incorporate networking. Effective networking requires the ability to articulate your value proposition and gain access to the people that your value proposition could help. So this makes the first step of effective networking building out that value proposition that immediately identifies you and sticks in someone's mind no matter what platform you engage with them on. I've laid out a step-by-step process, including templating to craft your value proposition, and I'll post a link to that guide down in the description below. Now, the second step of effective networking is to build out a list of your ideal contact advocates, ICAs. These individuals can connect you directly with the hiring managers, and they would be able to do so, or they would want to do so, because they already know about the quality of your work. However, you have to equip them with your value proposition so that they know how to pass you forward. The key here is to make the barrier to entry for somebody to advocate for you so low that they can't help but do it. The third step in effective networking is to create a target list of companies that you would love to land your next role in. Now, next, Think about what role within those companies would be able to create the job or the role that you would want. Now reach out to those individuals directly on LinkedIn with a message that clearly expresses your value proposition and what you would potentially be able to fix in their space. It has to connect to the pain that they have. Inevitably, some of those individuals are going to ignore your message, but a solid percentage of them is going to see enough value to grab 15 minutes of time with you and begin the networking process. Now, this is exactly how roles are created behind the scenes, with you being the only one in consideration for those specific roles, because they are based upon whose value proposition? Your value proposition. If you want control and power in your job search, then this is the ultimate control and power. Effective networking for tech leaders involves building strategic relationships that support your leadership journey and clearly conveying your value. Don't miss our next video where we delve deep into specific networking tactics for high-level professionals. But you can start today by reconnecting with a former colleague or initiating a discussion on a recent technological advancement. Remember to subscribe for more leadership insights and share your networking success stories with a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you transform your career through strategic networking. Now be sure to check out one of these videos next as you build your brand and grow your impact. And I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.